Hello everyone. Now in this lecture of course Concrete Technology, we will study what is the concrete and how the mixing of concrete is done, then grades of concrete and various tests which we perform for the workability of the concrete. Now, in this first lecture, we will study that what is the importance of this chapter in at a glance of examination, right? Examinations at a glance. This chapter or the unit having 14 mark weightage for MSBT examinations, and the chapters contains following points: definition of concrete, various grades of concrete, water cement ratio and significance of water cement ratio, properties of fresh concrete, workability and factors affecting the workability, segregation and bleeding, concept of segregation and bleeding. Now, in this lecture, we will study a building material made from the mixture of broken stone or gravel, sand, cement and water, right, which can be sprayed or poured into the mold and form a mass resembling stone on hardening, is known as concrete. Then concrete is a composite material composed of a fine coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement that hardens over a time. These are the two major or the popular definitions of the concrete or the concrete mortar, right? It means basically concrete consists of the three physical elements or four physical elements, which are those: cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water. Now this is the flow chart or the content of the concrete, which are those: cement, sand, aggregates, it means fine aggregate and coarse aggregate, water, which makes the concrete. This is a picture of a concrete mortar. Then as per IS 4000, there are different grade of concrete, which are M10, 15, M15, M20, M25 and M30, right? Then what is M? Yes, M is nothing but the mixed proportion, right? We have to decide the proportion according to the grade, or we can classify this cement concrete mortar on the basis of their grades or on the basis of their compressive strength, right? Where M shows the mix and next value or the numeric value shows the characteristic strength of the concrete after 28 days curing. It means if we take cement, fine sand or sand and coarse aggregate in certain proportion and add water in it and make a concrete mortar, cast that concrete mortar or pour that concrete mortar into the mold and cast a cube and put that cube underwater for 28 days curing, and then after that we will take that cube and perform the compressive test on that cube. Then the strength achieved by that concrete or that mortar concrete is nothing but the characteristic strength of the concrete, and we also notify that value as a grade of a concrete. Okay, so this is the grade of concrete, where M is the mixed proportion and the numeric value shows the characteristic strength or the compressive strength of the concrete. Now these are the grades of the concretes. As per IS 456 2000, there are various grades of concrete. Which are those? Ordinary grade are M10, 15 and 20. Standard concrete grades are M20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. And high strength concrete grades are M60, 65, M70, M75 and M80. You have to note this as a classification of grades, or we can say that the classification of concrete on the basis of their characteristic strength, right? Grading is nothing but the classification of the concrete mortar on the basis of their characteristic strength. Then these are the grades, right? M5, M7.5, M10, M15, where note down this grade of M15, which is nothing but the 1:2, 2:4, right? M20 is 1:1.5 1:3, M25 is 1:1:2. It means one volume of cement, one volume of sand and two volume of aggregate, right? Likewise, if we see the M15 grade proportion, then we will see that 1:2, 2:4. It means one volume of cement, one volume of fine sand, it means fine aggregate, and four volume of aggregates or core aggregates. Then we have to add water in that proportion, right? Then if we mix this material in given proportion and pour that material into the mold and remove the mold after final setting time and put that cube underwater for curing for 28 days, then after 28 days we will get the characteristic strength or the compressive strength of 15 Newton per mm square after 28 days curing, right? So this is nothing but the compressive strength or the grades of concrete. Then this is also chart which shows the mixed proportions for the various grades of concrete. Then water cement ratio. We have also add water in concrete for the proper mixing and workability. For the workability and proper mixing, there should be definite or defined amount of water have to be added in the concrete mix, which is also defined or specified in IS code 456, right? Water cement ratio means the water cement ratio of the weight of the water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix, or lower ratio leads to higher strength and durability but may take mix difficult to work and form. Workability can be resolved with the use of plasticizers and super plasticizers. It means if you reduces the water cement ratio, then workability will get reduces, but the strength will get upgraded. And if we rises the water cement ratio, then it will if we lowers the water cement ratio, it will upgrade the strength and reduces the workability. And in this situation, we can use plasticizers or super plasticizers to improve or increase the workability of concrete. We will see in next chapter what are the plasticizers and super plasticizers. Then these are the some water cement ratio mentioned for the concreting, right? Here this table mentions the water cement ratio for RCC and PCC of various grades of concrete. M15 grade, it will require 0.5 for RCC. M20, it will require 0.45 for RCC, right? So this table will also show the water cement ratio for the various grades of concrete, right? Thank you. This is all about the water cement ratio and various grades of concrete. If anyone is having any doubt, please do ask in comment section. Thank you.